Natrol Biotin Review. Description: Beauty. Promotes healthy hair, skin and nails. Helps convert food into energy. Vegetarian. Dietary supplement. Natrol Biotin 10,000 mcg. Promotes healthy hair, radiant skin and stronger nails. Helps support energy metabolism and aids in the conversion of food into energy. Clinical studies have shown that those deficient in biotin can experience hair loss and brittle nails. Suggested use: take 1 tablet, 1 time daily, with a meal. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, stearic acid, magnesium stearate, silicon dioxide, methylcellulose, cellulose gum, glycerin. No: milk, egg, fish, crustacean shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soybeans, yeast, artificial colors or flavors, added sugar or preservatives. Warnings: consult your healthcare professional prior to use if you have or suspect a medical condition, are taking prescription drugs, or are pregnant or lactating. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.